Dreaming of a Caribbean getaway? From sun-soaked beaches to lush rainforests and colorful towns, the Caribbean is a slice of paradise. But what should you pack? With varying seasons and activities, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for the ultimate Caribbean packing guide. First, let's talk about the Caribbean's weather. The region enjoys warm temperatures year-round, usually between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 29 degrees Celsius. But the seasons matter. The dry season, from December to April, is ideal for beach lovers and outdoor explorers. Expect sunny skies and breezy evenings. The wet season, from May to November, brings occasional rain and hurricane risks. But don't worry, most showers are brief, and off-peak travel means fewer crowds and better deals. No matter when or where you're going, these essentials will make your trip hassle-free. Lightweight, breathable clothing to stay cool. A wide-brimmed hat, sunglasses, and reef-safe sunscreen to protect against the tropical sun. Swimwear, and trust us, bring more than one set. A reusable water bottle to stay hydrated. Flip-flops for the beach and comfortable walking shoes for exploring. Visiting during the dry season. Here's what you'll need for those perfect sunny days and cooler evenings. Casual, lightweight outfits for day to night transitions. A packable sweater or light jacket for breezy evenings by the water. Beach essentials like a sarong, waterproof bag, and quick dry towel. Planning a trip during the wet season. Don't let the rain catch you off guard. Here's what to pack. A lightweight rain jacket or poncho. Quick dry clothing to handle those tropical showers. Waterproof sandals or shoes for wet streets and muddy trails. Bug spray to keep mosquitoes at bay, especially after rain. The Caribbean is packed with adventures, so tailor your packing to your itinerary. For snorkeling or diving, pack a snorkel set, reef-safe sunscreen, and water shoes. If hiking, sturdy walking shoes and a small day pack are must-haves. For sailing or boat trips, add a waterproof dry bag for your essentials. Don't forget these extras to make your trip stress-free and memorable. A power bank and travel adapter to keep your devices charged. A high-quality camera or smartphone for capturing picture-perfect moments. Basic first aid supplies and any personal medications. Snacks and a travel pillow for long flights or ferry rides. Before we wrap up, here are some quick packing hacks. Use packing cubes to stay organized and save space. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to minimize wrinkles. Pack a foldable tote bag for souvenirs or beach trips. And don't forget to leave room for Caribbean treasures like rum, spices, and handcrafted goods. And there you have it, everything you need to pack for an amazing Caribbean vacation. With the right essentials, you'll be ready for sun, sand, and adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite Caribbean packing tips in the comments below. Safe travels, and see you in paradise.